Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 4990 Cripple Creek Road. This is an absolutely stunning custom home located up in Talavera. The home sits on an acre. You have gorgeous mountain views, very southwest home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office, has 2 living areas, beautiful Kiva fireplace, tongue and groove ceilings in the living room, and then just a great backyard. Nice 2-car garage with a little workshop area as well. The home sits on an acre. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4990 Cripple Creek Road. Again, a gorgeous Southwest custom home located out here in Talavera and Soledad Canyon. Beautiful natural desert landscape around. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living areas, nice 2-car garage with a little workshop area as well. Does have an office. Again, you have this great backyard with this covered patio. These beautiful Oregon mountain views. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.